Hi, hello. Today, in the morning, I wonder how we can keep an application, our program, to keep on running even though the program is stopped or halt by any case, maybe due to the bad programming that we do. So we haven't have uh, handled the exception very well. So the bot will the application will be stopped caused by an error. Uh, so what I'm trying to achieve this time is how to make a stop program rerun automatically by itself. So or or we have another program that monitor that application or that program. If it stop, then it will rerun the application again. So it's more like a watchdog. So let's do it.
Like devotion, empty notions. Like
So let's connect to our. I'll make it bigger for you to easier for you to read. So we are going to use the two part. We are going to use the sub process and the NOS module. So what I'm going to monitor is this Python application right here. So we are getting this. So we will monitor it using the ps-ef command. So let's make the file. I'll call it watchdog.py. First, we have to import subprocess and OS. Subprocess, we are going to use the subprocess because we want to take the output of the command, and the OS, this one will be used to run the Python application again. So we don't wait for the output, we just run it in the background. So after importing the OS, we'll specify the command. This is the ps-ef pipe grep py. Then run it by subprocess. Check command will be subprocess dot get output, since we want to get the output, and then the command. Then we put it in the result. We split it by the new line. Check command dot split by the new line. Then we check in the list result if it contains our program or not. So for R in result, we will check if what is the bot name? tron admin.py to make it string in R. Then we specify that the app is run. Then we will check the app. If app is not equal to run, then we will run it again using the command. Oh no, if it's not running, so we will try to print it. We just try. Try to print app on error. Set bot. We'll specify the command to running the bot again. It's a Python 3, and then admin.py, and then we send it to the background. Then we will use the os.system run bot. Okay, I think that's all. We have to check the full path of the tron admin. Let me check if it's yes, this is the correct name. We just have to put the full path for the file. So we go to file again and add the full path for the Python file. So since it's running now, we will test it. The trons_admin.py is running, so it should be do nothing. So I will just okay, we will try it. Watchdog. It should be return the running ps-ef5 grep py result, and then also the run status of the tron_admin.py. Yes, it is run. So we will try to kill the Python. The Python file. We do okay. Oops. Yeah, it's running. Let's try to kill it. I'll show you that after we kill that the tron admin is not running. Then we try to run the Python file that we have just created, the watchdog.py. Then yeah, the file is running. So for this Watchdog, we have to set it to run every minute to check the application every minute. So I will make it so we have the /root. This is the file watchdog.py. I'm going to make a cron tab. run it every minute. We will be using the Vim, live under Vim. So it's for them every minute, every hour, day of month, month of year, day of week. And then we run Python 3/work watchdog.py watchdog.py. Let me just copy it to make sure. Yes, we are in the /work. Then let's try it. The file is running every minute now. Let's try to kill this one. Yeah. When we are killing it, it have this ID, this process ID 526647. Now it's running using the 52686811. So let's try to kill it again. Sorry. Okay, let's wait a moment to see if it's running. See? It's 12. Yeah, it's running. So this is it. Our bot is running well. Our watchdog is running well. Our watchdog is working. So what do you think about this solution? Of course, it has the bad effect. Of course, it's not it is not the perfect solution, but it is a workaround. I think the perfect solution is we make an exception to any error that will be come out of our program. So let me know what do you think about this solution. I will be very happy to discuss it with you, and see you on the next video. See you on the next video. Bye.
Like